Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your TikTok account from your computer. So if you want to delete it directly from your desktop browser, you don't have to use your phone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the gear icon next to your profile page. So go ahead and select the little profile icon. Where it says account control, delete account, select the delete button here. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to the public. During deactivation, you can reactivate your TikTok account anytime. After 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. If you delete your account, you won't be able to log in and use any TikTok services from that account. You'll lose access to all your videos. Information that is not stored in your account, such as direct messages, may still be visible to others. Information that is not stored on TikTok servers, such as drafts, will be removed. You won't be able to download such information after deleting your account, and you won't be able to get a refund on any items you purchased or received. Do you want to continue? You would select the continue button there, and that's all you have to do. That's also a roundabout way of deactivating your account too. So you can basically deactivate your account for 30 days and then come back. You just would sign back into your TikTok and then reactivate the account. So pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.